Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and today I'm coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. I've got an oldie but a goodie. This is an early Model S. You can tell by the shape of this and the door handles up here, and we are doing a brake upgrade. Now, these older Model S's, they've got the miles on them. It's gonna be time for brakes. T-Sportline has you covered. We have several options, and I wanna go through the basics on this while we've got it apart. We've already put the new rotors and new pads in the back on here, but before we get into the details, I want to point out this is the 4-piston version. So there's two options between 2012 and 20 on Model S and Model X. You either have a 4-piston rear caliper or a 1-piston rear caliper. You can tell here there's 2 pistons, one here, one there, one on the back and there, versus a single piston caliper. So on our website, when you go to order these, you have to pick, do you have a single piston or a 4-piston? That's what you're looking for. This is the 4-piston setup. Now, from a brake perspective, we have several options, starting with stock replacement, which is right here. This is a steel rotor. These are performance pads, so this is a small upgrade over stock. This is a bolt-on replacement, no modifications, works with the factory parking brake, and it's a steel rotor. One step up from that is what we call a coated rotor. So the rotor has a coating on it which is going to prohibit rusting and dust. So it's going to be a nice visual upgrade. This is mild steel, just like a factory rotor. It will have some rust over time, not going to be a performance problem, but from the aesthetics, you might want the one step up, which is coated. Then from there, we have a step up to a drilled and cross-slotted rotor. That's the Z23 or Z26 option, which is going to be a coated rotor that's cross-drilled and slotted from a performance perspective, and it includes either Z23 pads or Z26. Z26 is a little bit of an upgrade over Z23. And then finally we have E35, which is a fully blacked out rotor. That's the latest and greatest. It is a coated rotor. It's got a black coating on it, so it's gonna look really nice, and it's got the high-end E35 pads, which have a little more cushioning and dampening, so silent, strong performance, no rust, no dust. All right, everybody, check it out on our website, tsportline.com. We've got the brake replacements and brake upgrades ready for you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel because we've got a lot more to offer for your Model S.